Hi, my name is Michaela and I'm Pinterest manager and strategist. I specialize or focus on e-commerce store owners and business owners who would like to scale their business with Pinterest. So I have some great things for you today, and I am doing random mini audits, 5 to 10 minutes videos where I give you my best tips and I use my experience to help you to grow your Pinterest business account. And I really want to help you just to scale your business using Pinterest, using this platform, because I have helped many business owners and e-commerce stores owners. So let's do it. Let's do mini audit of random business accounts on Pinterest. I will always choose every week. I will choose different categories. So it's totally random, guys. I'm going to start right now here on the business, basically my home feed on my business account, Pin Inspiration Agency, and we are going to search for some keyword. And based on that, I'm going to search random business account on Pinterest, and I will do the mini audit right now here live. So nothing is prepared. I just want to show you how you can use this platform and give you all my tips, because that's what I do. I love helping business owners and e-commerce store owners because there is so much potential in this platform, and still a lot of people are not using it. So let's say we are going to choose the most common category, which is actually the one that Pinterest started with. It's a home decor, and I am going to go with a classic home decor inspiration. Let's go home decor inspiration, and let's find some accounts. So we're going to filter, and we're going to go profiles, and we do random search. Let's go with someone who maybe it's like not with millions of followers, because they also have the red check, so they will be perfect profile probably. So let's go with like a middle ground, maybe let's say somebody like Paper Flora. Let's go with this one. So paperflora.com, design handcrafted paper flowers for weddings. And let's start with this option here. I don't know if it's me or there is no cover image. Might be that there was before, a couple of maybe months ago, maybe it's already like a year ago, there was an option to put video. And if you didn't change it to cover image, then it kind of looks like there is nothing there. I'm going to refresh this and see if there is still some cover photo or it's just missing. So let's have a look again, and Paper Flora. It's still not there. Maybe they don't have the cover photo, which I would definitely add some cover image, what they do, like with some more explanations, and like Paper Flora flower designs, handcrafted for weddings, and maybe put paperflora.com on the cover, maybe with some image of who is behind this brand. Who is behind this brand? If it's a person, I would definitely put your profile picture there. It's more personal than the logo if there is somebody, or maybe there is a team behind it, but at least, you know, profile picture is always better, and it connects more with the people if they see you on Pinterest. So we have logo here, looks very nice. Paper Flora. If I just look at Paper Flora, I don't know what they do. I don't know the brand. So ideally, in the title, I would definitely add Paper Flora, something like home decor, or handcrafted paper flowers, wedding decoration, or home decor. Yeah, something which I absolutely will immediately know what they do. They do, it's a paper florist, right? As it says in the logo, the paper florist. So I would put something like Paper Flora, handcrafted, or maybe paper flowers for home or weddings. That will be like the title. Here we have so much space, up to 500 characters, so you could actually be wild here. Paper flower designer, handcrafted paper flowers for weddings, events, home decor, do-it-yourself templates, and kids. I would definitely put some kind of I would put more keywords, creative, handcrafted, gifts. It could be creative kits also. Something like flower design. I would have to probably search for more like paper designs, paper templates, maybe something like that. We would have to have a look more of and search more of these keywords, but definitely I would work on this description here and put more keywords and more things, like some sentences, like maybe some story behind the brand. Here we have Paper Flora 2, the username. You could actually use Paper Flora designer maybe, instead of the number 2. Then we have some boards. So let's have a look. You see somebody's actually working on this profile, because 1 hour ago somebody was putting some pin. Some of the boards are very old, 7 years old. Wow, perfect. That's a very nice profile. Like when you started the 7 years ago, that was much easier to grow. Now it's you have to put more consistently pins and more quantity of pins than used to be. Let's have a look. Definitely this is a business profile which should be only about the business. So all the things that are not related to paper, let's say paper florist, paper flowers, I would remove or archive, which means low carb, definitely archive. Perfect palette, that's good. Shades of pink, I would add some keywords here, maybe like pink creative designs or something like that. Handmade, it's good. That's a group board, also fine. If you stay in a group board, it's very nice. It was a big thing many years ago. Now it's coming back. I love group boards if you are in the same niche. Let's have a look. Shades of autumn. Yes, you could definitely kind of optimize it better. Shades of green. Party inspiration sounds good. Shades of nature. All the shades, right? It could be more of like shades of what, like neutral, let's say, or neutral designs, wedding designs, or decor. Yeah, all these basically, let's say, boards are missing some optimized keywords. Tabletops sounds good. Flowers. California reception. All right, shades of white, a lot of colors here. I'm trying to see if there's something yeah, this one, beach house, probably out, archive. For a love of paper. All right, thanks for baby packet. Not sure if it's related. I don't think so. Creative people. Yes and no, depends if it's something about you, about the brand. Yeah, maybe. The dress, unless you were using some flower designs on there, then I wouldn't, maybe I would rephrase it, optimize it better. What I want to wear, definitely not connected to the brand, so I would archive this. That's good to know, the same thing. Outdoors, the same. Cooking, organize my, what is it? Organize my life. Again, yeah, all these boards, probably they were the first one. As you see, it's all a lot of personal stuff. Love at first sight, needing all these. Yeah, so you see, these were the ones you started like, oh, even here, 12 years ago. Wow, you were like the first person on Pinterest. That's amazing. So all these ones, I would archive them, the ones that are personal to you. And I would just keep the business one, which is the ones that are related to your business, the paper Flora. Let's have a look on some pins. Okay, we have flowers. So my first suggestion would be, you have this amazing logo, and I would definitely use it everywhere you can, right? Use your amazing logo. Contact support is something you don't want to have in the pins. If you probably just adding the pictures from your website or maybe from different social media, it goes, it's kind of weird. It says contact support. Let's see if all the pins have the same. Maybe, I'm not sure if this website still exists, but it's weird. Let's have a look because all the pages going to the same. All right. Okay, Paper Flora doesn't exist anymore. That's why it goes to contact support. That's a shame because the pictures looks very nice, and it all the paints are going to the website, which probably is not working anymore. But personally, regardless of the website, I would use the logo. I would put some videos. I mean, the designs are very nice. The pictures are nice. So yeah, that would be my take on it and on Paper Flora. So this was the mini audit basically for this account. As you could see, we just chose random account for home decor, in this case for paper flower and design. And this is how I do the mini audits. Just if you are interested and you want to participate, and I will be happy if you do, because that's like all my know-how I'm giving you so you can grow your business and of course get some revenue from this platform, from Pinterest. So sign up here. I every week do this mini audit, so it's a way for me to show you how I can help you to grow your business. And if you want to talk more about Pinterest for your business, book a discovery call. It's for free, and we can talk more about how you can scale your business and use this platform to even use the maximum potential of Pinterest. So let's talk next week, and have a great day.